Fair Play Projects.
Let's get started. First, if you don't want to cut up your pattern, here's a tip. Use a piece of scrap paper to trace the template that you're going to make, and then cut the template out from there. Next, trace the template onto your felt twice. Draw the letter onto one piece only, that's the front piece. Cut both pieces out. Now embroider the letter onto the front piece. There's no need to tie a knot at the back, just stitch a few times in place and then snip the thread. Hold the two pieces together with the embroidered side facing out. Whip stitch the two pieces together all the way around the edges. You can hide the knot in between the two layers as you start. When you've sewn all the way around, push the needle between the layers and pull it out at the top. Now stitch 3 times around the edge in one place here. Then get the jump ring and you're going to sew the jump ring to the charm through those 3 stitches. This way the charm is going to hang in the correct direction. Again, there's no need to tie a knot, just pull the needle through the layers and snip the thread. And now your charm is all done. Now for the fun part, you get to assemble the necklace. Tie on the tassel. And then thread on the bell or bauble. This is the bell. Now take a piece of tulle, cut it, and thread it through the jump ring. Tie it with a simple overhand knot, and now snip the ends of the tulle so it looks like a little bow. Tie the ends of the cord with a simple overhand knot, and you're all done. Repeat to make a second necklace and then share with your BFF.